Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the maintenance levels on Philips HOMERUN 2000. This option will show you if your cleaning brushes or whatever should be replaced. And to check it, go to settings in top right corner, then go to maintenance, and then you should see your mop, main brush, side brush, filter and the sensor. So here for these four options you have the bars that will tell you if it's used a lot or not. I have everything at 100%, so it hasn't been used. It's a new robot, but you can also see the residual life, so you'll know after what time to replace these items. And you can also click on them to know how to clean these items. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.